Want to be able to reduce office staff processing time by allowing your installer to complete the check measure details themselves? With Insyte, this can be done simply, all in just a few clicks. Let's show you how. Double-click on the appointment in the calendar. Click the Actions button. Click Start Check Measure from the list. This opens the job in the edit stage. Click the Edit button. Select a line and update the measurements and other options as required. Repeat for each line. Click the Close button, which saves the changes. Click Complete Check Measure, and you have now completed the check measure. Remove the delay of processing your check measures after you receive the paperwork from the installer by allowing them to complete the check measure on site with a few easy steps. Try Insyte today for free and see how else Insyte can benefit your business.